Hello everyone, I am Shruti Bubna. Welcome back to my next video. Today we are going to discuss about basics of C. So let's begin. First one is general aspects of C. C was originally developed in the 1970s by Dennis Ritchie. It is a high-level language as well as general-purpose structured programming language. C contains certain additional features that allows it to be used at a lower level, acting as bridge between machine language and the high-level language. This allows C to be used for system programming as well as for application programming. Now, the character set of C. C language consists of some special characters set, numbers, and some special symbols. The words formed from the character set are building blocks of C and are sometimes known as tokens. These tokens represent the individual entity of language. The following different types of tokens are used in C: identifiers, keywords, constants, operators, and punctuation symbols. First one is identifiers. A C program consists of two types of elements, user-defined and system-defined. Identifiers is nothing but a name given to these elements. An identifier is a word used by a programmer to name a variable, function, or label. Identifiers consist of letters and digits in any order except that the first character or label. Identifiers consist of letters and digits in any order except that the first character must be letter. Both upper and lower case letters are used. Second is keywords. Keywords are nothing but system-defined identifiers. Keywords are reserved words of the language. They have specific meaning in the language and cannot be used by the programmer as variable or constant names. C is case sensitive. It means these must be used as it is. 32 keywords in C programming languages are auto, double, int, struct, break, else, long, switch, case, enum, register, and minim. The third is variables. A variable is nothing but a name given to a storage area that our programs can manipulate. Each variable in C has a specific type which determines the size and layout of the variable's memory. The name of a variable can be composed of letters, digits, and the underscore character. It must begin with either a letter or an underscore. Upper and lower case letters are distinct because C is case sensitive. These are following basic variables type: char, typically a single octet. This is an integer type. Int, the most natural size of integer for the machine. Float, a single precision floating point value. Double, a double precision floating point value. Void, represents the absence of type. Now is constant. A constant is a value or an identifier whose value cannot be altered in a program. For example, 1, 2.5, etc. As mentioned, an identifier can also be defined as a constant. Here, pi is a constant. Basically, what it means is that pi and 3.14 is same for this program. Now is integer constants. A integer constant is a numeric constant without any fractional or exponential part. There are three types of integer constant in C programming: decimal constant of base 10, octal constant of base 8, and hexadecimal constant of base 16. Now is floating point constant. A floating point constant is a numeric constant that has either a fractional form or an exponent form. For example, 2.0, 0.0000234, etc. Now is character constant. A character constant is a constant which use single quotation around characters. For example, A, L, M, F. String constants. String constants are the constants which are enclosed in a pair of double quote marks. For example, good, X, earth is round, etc. Now is skip sequences. Sometimes it is necessary to use characters which cannot be typed or has special meanings in C programming. For example, new line, tab, question mark, etc. In order to use these characters, skip sequences is used. Here are some skip sequences with their names or functions. Now is operators in C. An operator is a symbol which operates on a value or a variable. For example, plus is an operator to perform additions. C programming has wide range of operators to perform various operations. Here are some operators: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.